doing Hoopties with Rob. Today we're going to New Jersey, Toms River, New Jersey, to pick up a little Hooptie that they went off their lot. It was a new car trade-in. I don't know the condition, but I already bought it, so now we have to go pick it up. So let's take a ride.
Welcome to New Jersey.
Told me not to park here, park on the driveway. Let's park. Hey, bud, picking up ACV.
You're gonna go to that little building right there, behind.
Awesome, thank you.
All right, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Here's that.
You too. All right, this is the fun part. Picked up the Hoopties. Figuring out where to go. Every deal is different. Hello, hello. Okay. Hello. Nobody's here. Hey guys.
What's up, buddy?
There's nobody in that little office over there.
What are you picking up?
2005 Hyundai. The door's open actually, but nobody's there.
They're running around everywhere.
Yeah, I kind of figured that.
Where are you from? ACV?
Yeah, ACV. And it's cold. I want to pick it up and go.
Yeah, no, it's freaking freezing.
Yes, it is. Yep,
Oh my
exactly.
God.
So,
Yeah.
where do you have the cars anyway? I don't see it.
They're
Different
housed
location?
at Buick.
Oh, great.
Hey, Bernie, I got a nice gentleman here from ACV looking to pick up an '05 Elantra.
Yeah, Hyundai Elantra.
All right, the keys are there. Okay, perfect. Thanks, pal. Bye, Bubba. Sorry to make you go on.
No problem. No,
Keys and car are at the Buick GMC store.
right down the road.
Yep. So got this light.
Okay.
Past the second light.
Yep.
Halfway down on the right-hand side, you'll see
Right.
the Buick GMC store.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Drive safe, man.
You have a good one.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Tap. Investor Glass, big dealership. Have a bunch of different stores. He called me a nice gentleman. Well, that was very nice. So I'm not such a nice guy. Here we go. Happy here. Yep, Lester Glenn, GMC. They don't want you parking in the driveway. So guess what? I'm parking right here. Hey, what's up, man? I'm parking.
Yeah, it's like these things are. We'll be right back. You're welcome.
Look at that. 73 Buick Apollo, just like the one I have. Wow. 74, actually. Cool.
How's it going?
Definitely.
Picking up a car?
ACV, yeah.
Yeah, I think Heather will be up here in a sec.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Thank you.
1 minute.
Yep. Picking up ACV.
All right.
2005 Hyundai. Actually went to the other store down the street. I thought that's where I was picking up at. Yeah. Send me down here.
You can have it. I'll be right back.
Awesome. Thank you.
This one's actually on
Awesome.
our lot.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
So where is that?
It'll be in in the back parking lot towards the left.
Okay, awesome. I have to load up outside, right? Can't come in?
Yes,
Awesome.
correct.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Welcome, you too.
All right. Here we go. Look at that beauty. Biggest polished shit in the lot. Hooptie heaven. Oh. Oh, wow. Got alarm system and all. Like somebody's gonna steal it. Can you steal this? You keep it. Wow. Start right up. One man's junk is another man's treasure. Save this junk from the junkyard. Hooptie heaven. Soldana? You got no, I'm gonna get paid. Grab the tag, I'm gonna take this for a ride.
I don't have it, it's on the field.
This guy. Take the tag off the truck. We're back at Hooptie headquarters. Look, he's walking across the street. Don't want to be a video? Too bad. Alright, we're gonna test drive this Hooptie. See how it feels. coming or you staying?
I'm exhausted.
Tired. So how much you get for the Honda 15? You better plaster $100 in my hand.
Yeah, it's got good miles.
That runs good. Well, I only drove around the parking lot. Felt good. A little exhausting, but it's $1,500 all day. Maybe $16.99.
I think I see how it runs. You only got a third gear. I expect it on overdrive.
Can't see with your big head in the way. You didn't get no calls to the other junk?
No, just the one guy on a Honda.
Chip's good. These are the best years to buy. Just check the oil, check the antifreeze, and put it in the back until title comes in. Look at this. Oh man, I never knew they had that. Look at that. Wow. You gotta check the antifreeze. It doesn't have any heat. Not even hot yet. Something you should not do. Alright, just open it. Push down and hold it. Alright, go get some antifreeze. Yeah, thermostat didn't open up yet. It is cold as hell. 23 battery. Alright, not a big deal.
Got the battery.
We gotta make a sale. We're gonna lose the shop. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. So guys, let me see. Next.
मेरी वो भी याद है तो उसके बाद ये होगी बात ठीक है मैंने पॉइंट ठीक छेड़ा गया तो आगे क्या हुआ तो सारे करके मान गया कि चलो ना करवाइए और थोड़े टाइम बाद में वो छोकरी भाग गई
My friend, let me get one Powerball and one Mega.
ठीक है जोड़ में तीन अब पता कहाँ भाग कद भागी जब तक नहीं भागी
Thank you, brother.
जिसका रिश्ता कर दिया ना किसी और मैंने तो बात को चल करने देते थे अभी जब दिमाग पर भी आया उसका किसी और के कर दिया ना आपकी दागट बोल दी जो ही तो बात मैं कह रहा ठीक है मगर जो यार आपको है मैं 3 दिन खाने मेरे ब्रो चले ठीक है ठीक है ना क्योंकि मेरे आज बात याद था उससे सेठ की केस था जिसने मेरे जन्मदिन था
Still loser.
और मैं वहाँ गया था कहीं पंजाब में क्या गई थी और इसकी जगह पता किसको गया था गेट बैठा पीछे इसके मम्मी डैडी बैठे सेक्शन के पका चश्मा था तो चलाएगा तो आनंद बात है
Thanks, guys.
अंधेरा सा काला काला होता है
Hello, this is Rob.
Hey, Rob, Corey at ACB, how are you?
Hey, Corey, what's up, buddy?
Not much. Just getting with you. There's going to be, I'm just about to hop into a meeting. There's an 04 Liberty that's $50 apart. We're at $550. They're looking for $600. If we could do the $600, I could just take the $50 off the buy fee and get it put to bed.
Okay, so what would that be? How much would that be out the door?
$675. $675 out the door. Same where we're at right now at the high bid.
Okay, let's make it happen. All right, so let's gas up this bad boy. Worked hard today. Gotta make sure I don't hit the pole. Make sure I don't hit the pole. So I come here because it's cheap. Cheaper than the place I just left where I play the lottery at. I'll play the lottery here, but they don't have lottery. It's $2.99 a gallon.